Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today Stormy and I, Stormy's over here. She's staring out the window, but she's here. We have a woodpecker that's out there and she's like staring. So we have a Dollar Tree haul. And not only that, there were so many new items at this store that we went to in Portland, Maine that I took a ton of pictures, so they will always be at the end. So I am just going to start with a few things. This is just going to be some food stuff that I got. I'm sorry I'm bending over. Some people have said they don't like that, but I apologize. The stuff is here. I have dogs and cats. They knock everything over. And if it's on the table, they'll knock it over. The first thing that I found is MC Trader pineapple salsa, and it's mild. It's 8.5 ounces. This was new. I've never seen this before at the Dollar Tree. It says made in the US, and it is distributed out of Houston, Texas. So that is new. I can't wait to try this. I am actually might try it for lunch. We did get some just regular staples here, just, you know, for the cat in their bedroom. That's Stefano's cat. She only will eat the 9 lives. I know it's not for you. And then what else did I get? I got, okay, now see, these were new to me. I've never seen these decorative tapes by Jot, and this is how they are. They have the flowers on them. I've never seen these, so if you've seen them, please let me know. I haven't even seen them on Instagram, so I thought that that was really, really interesting. So I grabbed some of them. Grabbed 2 of them, and I just grabbed both of the flowers. They had flowers, they had smiley faces, they didn't have any hearts or anything like that, or I would have grabbed them also. And then they had a couple new magnets. Now these new magnets that I saw, a yawn is a silent scream for coffee. So I got that one. And then I got Believe in Miracles, and these are also magnets. They're the big square ones, but it has the little unicorn on it. I got 2 of them from my swap box partners. So, and then Jot had these really nice scissors. They're big and long, but they were designed, decorated. I thought that was really cute, so I got a pair of them. I'm always in the hunt for long scissors. I need actually longer ones. These are Jot also. They have a soft grip handle. So, and I don't know how big the blade is. 7.5 inches. That's how long. Okay, I got some glitter. I needed a little bit of glitter because I'm Mod Podging something and with glitter, so I needed that. They had a real nice selection of their garden gloves. The bird, so pretty. This is the garden collection, garden gloves, one size fits all. These are like navy blue, and they have the little dot, the grippy dots on them, so I got them. I needed these for some planting materials. Back there you'll see my little greenhouse. I'm already planting some stuff. I'm actually trying some new techniques with my garden right now, some things that I've been watching on YouTube, so hopefully I will get this. This is the garden collection also, 10 pieces, so. Stefano finally found his Barilla pasta. He really enjoys this spaghetti by Barilla. We always get it when we see it, so we got 2 just regular spaghettis. These are just staples. I needed some cotton rounds, so I grabbed them. And then, you know, just some cleansing cloths. And then this is my final item, and I left this for the last part only because this has been on my wish list for over a year. So it was these. So again, my hauls might be small, but these are brand new items. I've never seen them before. For us, they are all new. Here in Maine, we are the last to get anything that is really cool, hip, or anything. And so, like I always say to you guys, I'm always surprised when I find something that's been on my wish list for such a long time. They just, like, we just don't get these items. I actually had to travel. Whenever I find the new items that are hard to find, I actually have to travel quite a distance to find them, only because we never have them here, and it's really disappointing sometimes. We don't get the as seen on TV stuff. We never get that stuff. But you know. So this might have been a small haul, but I will have a bigger haul on Saturday because I will be going out shopping. There's quite a few things I need on my list, and I've heard some things I will be able to find at the local Dollar Tree that I have here in Lewiston, Maine. I will be looking there on Saturday, so I can't wait to get there. But there's been quite a few, the reason my video is late today is I am really, really sick. I had to go to the doctor's yesterday, and I am quite sick. So hopefully the medication that they gave me will start helping me, but I'm just not up to myself, and I apologize for not having the video out on Tuesdays, because Tuesdays and Saturdays are my regular video, Dollar Tree video days, so I apologize for that. And I will be having a card making video soon, but I also will have my Traveling Pocket, the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pocket Letter. I will have that up on Thursday for you guys, so you guys can see that. Yes, so I want to know what is on your wish list, how hard it is for you to find items, and do new things come to your store on a regular basis, because they don't to our stores. And like I said, I do have to travel in the bigger cities because we live here in the boonies, so the bigger cities would be the Portland, the Lewiston area, for me, Topsom area. Not so much Topsom, we don't really get the new items there, but most of the time I'll find it in Lewiston or in Portland, Maine. So I don't know, I'll see if I can talk to some of the managers about things, but you know, I have to literally show them pictures of what I'm talking about, because you know, they don't know, they work there, they don't know the website. A lot of them, surprisingly though, there is a manager in Topsom. He does know a lot about the website, so I'm really happy about that. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I've heard a little bit around about people saying, oh, just order the case online and then take it back and you can get your money back. That's not true. Dollar Tree holds the right to refuse to refund you your money. So if you're at the register, you look down, I'll take a picture of it for you. You look down at the bottom, it does say that because they are selling it at such a low price that they do have the right to refuse to give you a refund. We were in the store and a lady was trying to take back some items that she had purchased, and they said, I'm sorry, we can't refund you your money. And she said, well, that's not right, I have a receipt. And she said, well, did you read your receipt? And she's like, well, no. In fact, on the register, they don't even have a refund button. There's no refund, so she had to go around it. She did give her refund, but she had to go around it in a different way. So just be careful. Talk to your store before you do something like that and you order a bunch of things and then you just want a few of them and you take them back. They do have the right to refuse to give you a refund, and some of the stores won't even refund you any longer. So, and also I found out about the coupons as well. There's been some coupons that they're not accepting, and they also have the right to refuse those coupons. So just make sure that you check with your store manager and see what the scoop is before you go in there, because some of them will not accept those coupons, and that's just, you know, even though they make 7 cents, they actually get money for turning in a coupon, so they're making a little bit more money. They still have the right to refuse it. So that stinks. So that is something that I just learned about our Dollar Trees that I just thought that you should know about. So just make sure you talk to the store manager and get all the information before you go and buy something a big bulk and have to take it back. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I do my Dollar Tree hauls on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I do apologize for the lighting, but it is so muggy and dark here today. We had 2 beautiful days and now we are going to have nothing but rain for the next few days. So oh well, but it's still nice. I don't have my heat on. My heat is finally off. Yay! I think spring has sprung. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so like I say, always, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. And I hope that you find whatever is on your wish list at the Dollar Tree. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stormy, you want to say bye? Stormy, you want to say bye? She's purring away. Isn't she pretty? She's the prettiest cat I've ever seen. Alright guys, thank you so much again for stopping by and sticking to the end. I always do appreciate it. Let me know if you stayed to the end by telling me what your wish list item is. Bye guys, I'll see you later.